drilled, tapped, and bolted.
Yeah.
So I'll just cut that little weld off on both sides, and we're going to pull the plate back and see what which one of those steel lines is leaking.
Okay.
I got these interior lights working again.
Okay.
There's a poor ground here. Those back ones were working all the time, but this one wasn't working.
Okay.
So that's it.
Okay.
These all have to be deckled yet.
Yeah. So Dad's going to take this floor out now, and we're going to
welded and tapped it and bolted it so that it's easy to put together.
Okay.
Can't take this off until I cut those two little welds.
Okay. So you need the grinder. This took no effort to pull out.
No.
And Dad is now looking to see where the leak is, and looks like it's in front.
I couldn't see a leak in front because you can see right through in front.
There's the...
But we'll have a look. From the front I'll have to see right there's where the water is.
Yeah. So...
Just a minute. You can see in there.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna take the clamps off and see if we can see what the leak is.
There's nothing on these hoses. So, but you can see that little tiny bit of antifreeze right there. So I'm gonna probably end up vacuuming here again anyways.
Hey?
I said I was probably gonna vacuum in here again anyways, get all this crap out.
I'm gonna yeah, you can vacuum. I'm gonna check the rad.
Yeah.
See if it went down there. Oh. So it might have been spillage from when I put the hoses on.
Okay, likely.
Yeah, we'll see. So I'm not going to put that floor in until
Well, are you gonna fire it up and see?
fire it up, get the heater going and stuff like
Okay. Okay, so Dad's gonna fire it up now.
that. No, I can't. I haven't got the... We're going to top this off.
The diff.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can't do nothing until the distributor comes.
Oh shit! Right. Okay, so that's next week.
I guess so. Maybe right after Christmas.
There's no
Vacuum.
spare distributor that we can drop in, or?
No.
Okay.
All this is done. When is this supposed to come to?
He says that his buddy is probably coming up the highway. Otherwise, he's going to throw it on the bus for us.
Okay. So the only other thing we can do is go here with the angle iron now.
For building up the floor.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to do that now?
We can.
Okay.
Why don't you vacuum here first?
Yeah, I will. So I just finished vacuuming the
What's
inside.
that noise, Ralph?
Okay, and we brought this back in. You remember we took this off in the beginning of the job? That's just drilling in some holes for the wiring for the lights. Those lights that are attached still in there. So he's going to do that, and then he's going to do the wiring for the inside there. So when I was vacuuming up in here, I just picked up the flecks of metal and some plastic bits and whatnot, but there's nothing down here now. There's a little bit of antifreeze right there. I'm going to wipe up, dab up, but we can't find where the leak is. So we think it might be overflow, and we won't know until we fire it up. Well, we need the new distributor for that. Okay, so Dad was saying he just loves this previous owner's wiring because the two ends are twisted together, and you didn't need to do anything. So I'm probably just going to end up cutting that off. So this is the easiest way. Just clip it and throw it right in the garbage. There you go. Problem solved.
This garbage. I think what I better do is
Rewire all that too.
well, test it, see if it even works.
Yeah.
Without a hunch, it doesn't work. Pretty good hunch.
Yeah. So Dad's just taking apart the
We'll see if
bulbs are probably burnt out. And we got a special guest star here today, Donnie Lindell and his dog Pappy. Donnie, say hi.
His wife is on holiday, so he's batching.
Yeah, permanent holidays.
No.
Oh, not semi-permanent?
She'll be back, don't worry.
Okay.
You guys don't want to write her off that easy.
Okay. How's it looking? Pretty rusted through?
We'll see here in a bit. I think it's a complete new setup.
Okay. So we found new lights here. These are damn near brand new. Instead of these old pieces of crap that are all rusted out and don't work. So Dad's going to install those for the customer, and he's going to have to rewire everything back in. So yeah, so he's just he's got to make a new bracket, and by new bracket I mean one of these right here. He when we found these two lights, we were missing one of these, so Dad's just going to make one. Okay, get up there, old dog.
Yep.
There you go.
Michelle, that if she wants to, we can put this in the garage for her.
Okay.
He does like this setup.
Yeah. Okay.